Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wallbox Pulsar Plus with dynamic load management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Wallbox Pulsar Plus from its box. Ensure you have all necessary components ready for installation. Identify a suitable location for the charger, keeping in mind proximity to your electrical panel and vehicle parking. Check the electrical requirements of the Wallbox Pulsar Plus and ensure your power supply meets these needs. Next, turn off the power at the main circuit breaker to ensure safety during installation. Mount the charger on the wall using the provided installation template and drill. Secure the charger with appropriate screws to ensure stability. Connect the power cables to the charger according to the wiring diagram in the manual. Utilize a qualified electrician to ensure all electrical connections comply with local codes and regulations. Once wiring is complete, restore power at the main circuit breaker. Download and install the Wallbox app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the app to your Wallbox Pulsar Plus. Ensure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use with the Pulsar Plus. Choose the Dynamic Load Management option within the app settings. You will need to set up your home energy profile, including your total home load and the charging power you wish to allocate to the Wallbox. Input your main electrical panel's capacity and the maximum charging capacity of your Wallbox Pulsar Plus. Configure how much power you want your charger to use during peak and off-peak hours. Review the settings to ensure they align with your energy usage patterns and preferences. Save your configuration and exit the settings section of the app. Perform a test charge to verify that the Wallbox Pulsar Plus is working correctly. Monitor the app during the charging process to confirm the dynamic load management is functioning as intended. Make any necessary adjustments in the app to optimize your charging experience. Regularly check for app updates to ensure your charger has the latest features and improvements. Consider scheduling charging for times when electricity rates are lowest for additional savings. Your Wallbox Pulsar Plus is now fully configured with dynamic load management. You are ready to enjoy efficient charging for your electric vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.